Y'all know what time it is. It's gardening time. Come along. So I'm out in the garden today, and in my research, I keep coming across this square foot gardening. And what that does is pretty much you section your garden off into 1 square foot sections, and it kind of maximizes what you can grow in each square. So I'm going to go that route, and I'm here today. We're going to measure everything off, and then we're going to rope it off with some twine and a staple gun. So come along and watch me as I go through the process. So now that we've got it all marked off, I'm going to use my staple gun and some twine to rope off square foot area. And as always, safety first. So as I finished roping off the garden, I wanted to go ahead and get some seeds in the ground. We still have a little bit of a cold snap coming later on this week. So I went ahead and planted some vegetables that do well in the cooler temperatures. So here you see I have 2 types of kale. I have a curly kale and I have dinosaur kale. I also planted some mustard greens as well as collard greens. All of those seem to fare well in cooler temperatures. So I wanted to go ahead and get those started so that we will have something here soon. I still have my seedlings inside that I've been taking care of. And as soon as this cold snap passes, I will go ahead and put those out in the garden as well. So hopefully soon we will have some vegetables starting to grow in our raised garden. I am so excited. And y'all, I got my degree from YouTube University, so do not come for me. If you see me doing something wrong, please, please, please comment and let me know if you have a better way or, any suggestions. I am open to suggestions, but again, YouTube University, baby, got my degree and my master's from there, so don't come for me. Y'all take care.